station, fueling up, getting some food, heading back on the road. Alrighty, so we're almost halfway through our drive. We're just getting ready to go into Arizona. Got a lot of great stuff coming for you guys. Hold tight. See you shortly.
Okay, you have any pea shooters?
I don't, I just have a lot of ammo.
Alrighty, just left the Tanner Gun Show. We're going to get some nachos.
Up the Tanner to Crossroads.
The Crossroads!
Good, how about yourself?
Good. How's it going?
Good, man.
Have you seen one of these before?
No, what is this
This
actually?
is a C-Tax multi-rescue tool.
Okay.
Designed by everything you ever wanted to do.
Right on.
I'm a police officer by trade, so I designed it to basically be that tool that got tired of waiting for the fire department to show up.
Yeah.
So it does a little bit of everything. Got your glass breaker up in the front, residential gas shut-off valve there, pry bar down at the bottom. 100% made in America out of one piece of 4130 steel. So supporting veterans. It's a good tool, man.
Right on,
Does
man.
everything.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.